How to unlock chat on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to find and unlock chat on WhatsApp. Ever lock your WhatsApp chats for some extra privacy, but now you're stuck and can't figure out how to unlock them? So to unlock chat on WhatsApp, first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. On the main chat screen, scroll all the way up to the very top. You'll see a section labeled called Locked Chats. Tap on it. To access your locked chats, you'll need to confirm your face lock or fingerprint. This is just an extra security measure to make sure only you can see these private conversations. Once you're verified, you'll see a list of all your locked chats. Find the chat you want to unlock. Tap on the name of the contact you want to unlock the chat for at the top of the chat window. Now scroll down a bit in the settings menu until you see Chat Lock. Tap the toggle switch next to Chat Lock. Now, confirm your identity using Face ID or fingerprint. That's it. With these steps, you've successfully unlocked your WhatsApp chats. Now you can access your messages without needing to unlock the entire section every time. And this is how to unlock WhatsApp chats. If you have any questions about unlocking your WhatsApp chats, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.